So guys, after so many Galaxy Note 9 leaks in over the previous couple of months, Samsung has finally set a date for the long-awaited Unpacked event where the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will be revealed August 9. As usual, the company teased us with a short video, this time around highlighting the S Pen, which is rumored to pack a number of improvements over previous models. But there's something else that caught our attention. The color of stylus that was shown in the teaser video. Upon seeing it, the first thought that sprung to mind was, what kind of color is that? It's obviously yellow, but look closer, it has this dirty quality to it, and it's nothing like the gold colors that we've seen on the Samsung Galaxy S7, S8, S9 and the Note 8. It looks much more saturated and greyish, but that's not what bothers me. It just doesn't look like pure yellow is what makes it weird. In fact, many people would unfavorably equate this color to be certain bodily fluid, but it's likely just an illusion. And guys, one thing more. Ahead of launch, the specification of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 have leaked after Russian tipster Eldar Murtazin revealed them in a hands-on post of the device. Eldar has claimed that he has spent some time with the pre-production unit of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which he claims to be very similar to the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 in terms of design. He said that the Note 9 is expected to feature a similar curved Super AMOLED Infinity display as the Note 8 and will look similar to its predecessor at the front. Eldar has claimed that the Note 9's display will offer improved sunlight visibility compared to its predecessor, while the prototype had an always-on display. He said at the back the Note 9 will have a horizontal dual camera setup instead of vertical setup on the Note 8. Another change in the camera is that the front camera will have variable aperture like the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. Samsung is also expected to use improved ISOCELL technology and optical image stabilization for a better photography experience. In terms of performance, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will be powered by Snapdragon 845 processor and US and Exynos in the other market including India. Another upgrade that the Note 9 will receive is a bigger 4000 mAh of battery compared to the Note 8's 3300 mAh of battery. So guys, now what's your thoughts on this coming beast? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.